the relationship with your wife, did it change after you have your first kid?
It becomes stronger.
It becomes stronger?
Yes.
Usually I hear people say it's gonna get a bit shaky. How did it get stronger?
It's getting shaky, but you know.
Hey everyone, Uncle Cheung here. This episode will be in English because I'm in the beautiful Dubai. So, in the last video, I personally experienced how hard it is to be a parent. And today, I want to talk to some dads and see what they think about parenting and learn something from them. So if you haven't watched the first video, go click somewhere here to watch the first video first. So let's go talk to some of them. Hey there, what's your name?
My name is Sven, hi.
My name is Prashant.
How long have you been married?
Going to be 10 years.
Mike, where are you from?
From the UK.
Nowadays, there are more stay-at-home dads. The mom goes to work and the dad stays at home and actually takes care of the kids. So I want to know, how much does the dad actually do in the house?
I do everything.
You do everything now? Modern dad, high five.
Washing, playing with the kids.
Playing with the kids? And you have a job as well?
I have a job.
Right.
So the most difficult job is being the father.
Definitely watching them grow up and achieve things. I've done everything from changing nappies to, we've always done sort of 50-50 on it.
And I want to know about what do they not like to do in the house?
Ironing.
The kids' clothes?
Yeah, my clothes.
Your clothes as well.
Not have a problem with changing diapers, because in the beginning I never changed diapers before. I said I will only do that for my kids.
The hardest thing is if you have to handle your children for 2 hours.
Look, the beauty! Feel it!
2 hours.
Without mother, it is very hardest thing.
It's very common for the dad to be in the delivering room nowadays. But actually, what happens in there? Is it scary?
Yes, I was there, and the funny thing is during the birth, basically, it was just arriving. She was hungry, so I picked up the sandwich at the petrol station. So maybe later on I don't have time to wash my car, so I wash the car as well in between.
You washed the car when she was giving birth?
Yes.
How is that possible?
And I don't like blood. So yeah, I did nearly faint at one point.
In the last video, we talked about it costs 4 million Hong Kong dollars to raise a kid. And we know that nowadays it's gonna cost even more. So how many kids do people have? 2 kids enough? Because we're planning to have 2 kids.
Depends how your lifestyle is. If the car is too small, because we can't book like only one room, you always have to book 2 rooms.
In the plane you get a whole row then, right?
Plane,
2 is easy.
2
is
perfect.
easy. It's better than 1. 1 get bored, and so they basically play with each other, at least sometimes. Sometimes they fight, but they're still busy with each other. And 3 is getting more complicated.
And of course, we know that being a father is amazing, but what's the best thing about being a father? Do they take it for granted somehow?
Yes. But anyhow, being a father is a very good feeling, great feeling. Being with children, you live your life again.
So like people say, after the first birth, the appearance of the wife gets out of shape. What do you think?
Might be, but my wife is quite good in shape, therefore I'm relaxed.
Because she's right there. If I ask you over there, you have a different answer, right?
Why is he always next to me? You like it?